Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we discovered a logical error in our shopping cart script. The total was wrong, but we didn't know exactly why. Now, we will use the debugger in VS Code to pause the program and inspect it while it runs. 1. Setting a breakpoint. A breakpoint tells the computer to pause execution at a specific line. To set one in VS Code, hover your mouse over the gutter to the left of the line number and click the red dot. Let us place 1 inside our loop. 2. Starting the debugger. We select the Run and Debug tab and click on Run and Debug. The program will start, but it will freeze exactly at our breakpoint. This allows us to see the state of our application at that exact moment. 3. Stepping and inspecting. On the left side, look at the variables pane. We can see total_price is currently 0. Now use the Step Over button to execute this line. The variable updates to 50. Let's loop again. Step over. We are back at the line. Now watch closely. When we execute this line again, total_price becomes 100. It did not add 100 to 50. It simply replaced 50 with 100. We found the bug. We are using the assignment operator equals instead of plus equals. To summarize, by stepping through the code, we saw exactly where the logic failed. This is a fundamental skill for any developer. Next, we will move to a new syntax feature called match case. Join me in Lecture 32.01, Introduction. See you there.